everyone! Today we'll be learning how the alphabet W sounds. Are you ready? Let's start. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. W for water. I love to drink water. W for water. I love to drink water. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. W for web. Spiders make webs. W for web. Spiders make webs. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. W for wall. A wall is strong. W for wall. A wall is strong. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. W for well. A well has water. W for well. A well has water. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. W for watch. A watch tells the time. W for watch. A watch tells the time. W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. Did you enjoy that? Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from Fina and Casey.